Malacanang reiterates the need to increase taxes on cigarettes and liquor. At the same time, the palace denies an immediate 1,000% increase in taxes on such products. Rocky Ignacio reports.
Malacanang disputes the claim of tobacco industry stakeholders that the sin tax bill will result in a 100% increase on the current cigarette tax. Presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacerda issued a statement in response to the paid advertisement published by the tobacco lobby.
Appearance of that ad would imply that upon the passing of the sin tax bill into law, the increase will be immediately 1,000%. That is incorrect. Currently, the rate right now is 2.72 pesos. Just to give you a perspective on the sin tax rates, currently it is at 272 pesos. Next, it will be 12 pesos. That's hardly 1,000. And after that, 22 pesos. And so on until it reaches in 2016, 32 pesos.
Secretary Lacerda claimed even in the implementation of the proposed taxes under sin tax bill, the price of cigarettes in the Philippines would still be the lowest in Asia.
Even if you raise the cigarette taxes as proposed under the sin tax measure, the price of cigarettes in the Philippines would still be among the lowest in the region. We have, for instance, a data here on the prices of cigarettes. For instance, just to give you an example, the lowest price cigarette right now, a local brand, is 15 pesos. With the sin tax increase, it will be at 26 pesos. And in Thailand, a pack of the lowest price brand would be 72 pesos. And in Singapore, in Vietnam, it will be 26 pesos. In Indonesia, the lowest price would be 48 pesos and 50. So obviously, it's still going to be the lowest in the region.
President Aquino earlier claimed that the additional revenue from the proposed bill will be allocated to improve government health services, especially to the poor. Under the 40 billion compromise revenue, 6 billion pesos will be allotted for tobacco farmers. Secretary Lacerda, however, noted that the Philippines is a signatory to the World Health Organization framework on tobacco control. The health treaty recommends an excise tax on tobacco products to at least 70% of the price.
The Philippines is a signatory to the World Health Organization framework on tobacco control, and that particular health treaty, of which we have ratified and of which we are a member, there are 176 countries who are signatories to this particular convention. They have recommended an excise tax on tobacco products to at least 70% of the price. If we are to pass the sin tax bill, the tax burden price would only amount to 60%. So it is even less than what is being proposed by the World Health Organization framework on convention on tobacco control. In some other countries, it's already at 75% of retail price. So with the passing of the sin tax, it will only be at 60%. And so those are our response to the tobacco ad. And also, just to also give you a concern for the tobacco farmers, again, we've already stated that 15% of the revenue will be devoted to the safety nets.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.